How to change app icons on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, download the app icon that you want to change. You can download it from the browser or the Pinterest application. Here, I will download the image from Pinterest. So open the Pinterest application on your device and in the search bar, search for YouTube app icon. Download the image of your choice by clicking on the image and then on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the download image option. Tap on that and your image will be downloaded. Go to your home screen now and open the Shortcuts application. Tap on the plus symbol on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for Open App. Tap on that and now there, beside Open, you will see the App option. Tap on that and search for YouTube application and then tap on that. Click on Done option on the top right of your screen. You will see the Open App option now. Tap on the three dots there and on the bottom of your screen you will see the Share button. Tap on that, you will see the option for Add to Home Screen. Tap on that and in the interface that appears, you will be able to change the app icon. Tap on the shortcut icon you see there under home screen name and icon. Choose the picture that we downloaded earlier. Also, rename the app and then click on the add button and then undone. With this, your app icon will be changed. Go to your home screen and you can see the changes we just made. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.